Sterilization. Sterilization can be defined as a process by which all viable form of microorganism are removed or destroyed, but disinfection, killing or destroying only pathogenic microorganism. After the method of sterilization, the material is called sterilized material, so that we can use them for surgical and other invasive process. Then method of sterilization, it have three method of sterilization. First one is physical, second one is chemical, third one is mechanical. Physical method of sterilization example dry heat, moisture heat and radiation. Chemical form gaseous sterilization and sterilization with disinfectant. Third one is mechanical sterilization example filtration. Now we see about physical method. Physical method, how it is sterilized means that mechanism of action. First one is denaturation of protein. Second one is detoxifying their harmful effect. Third one is raising the electrolytes to the toxic level. Then dry heat used in the following forms. Four form we are using. First one is red heat, second one is flaming, third one is incineration, fourth one is hot air oven. First we see about red heat method, used to sterilize metallic object by holding in flame till they are red hot. Example this method, inoculation needle, wire and forceps. Second method, flaming. Slide and mouth of test tube can be disinfected by passing them through flame a few number of times. Then third method, incineration. Final disposal of infectious hospital waste. How much volume? 80 to 80% reduction in the volume. By this method, animal carcasses, human pathological material, badly contaminated material like sputum cups, infected dressing and bedding material, then cytotoxic drugs can be destroyed by burning in an incinerator. This incinerator having two chamber, maintained temperature at 650 to 750 degrees Celsius. This one is the primary incinerator. Secondary one we are using 1050 to 1100 degrees Celsius. This method, incineration method, is economic and effective way of destroying materials. Then fourth one is hot air oven. This method was first introduced by Louis Feuchter and it is used for effective sterilization of all metallic instrument, glassware, cotton swab, oils, jellies, powder and waxes. Then a number of time temperature combination as below can be used. 140 degrees Celsius for 1.5 hour or 160 degrees Celsius for 1 hour or 180 degrees Celsius for half an hour. This time temperature combination only we will give for hot air oven. Then efficacy of hot air oven can be sterilized three method: physical, chemical and biological method. Physical method, there are putting time chart recorded. Result we can read at end of cycle. Then chemical method using Brownie tube number 3. The biological method, there are using spores, Bacillus subtilis or Clostridium tetani spores. Chemical method using Brownie tube number 3. Biological method, Bacillus subtilis and Clostridium tetani spores. Then next we move to moisture heat method. Mechanism of action, denaturation and coagulation of protein component. Moisture heat using following method. Best method, pasteurization and inspiration. In pasteurization can be used three different type of temperature: below 100, at 100 and above 100 degrees Celsius. Below 100, classical examination is pasteurization. This method mainly used for disinfection of milk. It can be used in the following three method: Holder method, flash method and ultra high tech temperature method. Holder method we are using 63 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Flash method we are using 72 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 seconds. Then followed by rapid cooling to temperature less than 13 degrees Celsius plus 13 degree. Then ultra temperature moisture heat 149 for 0.5 second. This pasteurization method destroying all harmful organisms like tuberculosis bacilli, diphtheria, brucella, salmonella and staphylococcus. Then second method is inspissation method. Moisture heat at 80 to 85 degrees Celsius for 1 hour 3 consecutive days we are using. In this method, egg and serum containing medium, that means LJ medium, are used for sterilization process. In this method principle, first exposure kill the vegetative form. In the interval between the heating, the spores germinate, which are then killed on subsequent heating. Then second one is at 100 degrees Celsius. Best example, tintalization. This tintalization is also called as fractional sterilization. Moisture heat at 100 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes 3 consecutive days we are using. This method can done Koch and Arnold steam sterilizer is used for sterilization of sugar solution, gelatin containing medium, this thiosulfate citrate bile salt, xylose lysine deoxycholate agar, deoxycholate citrate agar and salinate F broth. Then temperature above 100 degree, classical example autoclave. Based on 5 mark question, I prepared separate videos. If you want, refer that video also. Principle of this method, use of saturated stream under pressure. Basic principle is that generally water boil 100 degrees Celsius at atmospheric pressure. When water boil under pressure, then it boil at high temperature. Depending upon the pressure, two type of autoclave. First one is 121 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes, pressure 15 psi. This method are mostly used method. Second one is 131 degrees Celsius for 3 minutes. Then uses of autoclave to sterilize surgical dressing, surgical instrument, especially non-soft material, liquids, culture media, discarded media with growth, gloves, apron, etc. Then efficacy of testing of autoclave. 3 method, physical, chemical and biological. Physical method, they gave temperature chart recorded. Chemical method, Brownie tube number 1 or Bowie tick tap they are using. Biological method, Bacillus styrothermophilus spores they are using. Last one is radiation method. Here we are using two forms of radiation, ionizing and non-ionizing. Non-ionizing radiation, classical example is UV ray, which are generated by tungsten filament mercury lamp. Wavelength used 220 to 280 nanometer. Disadvantage, very poor penetrating power, don't kill spores, only used for surface disinfection of hospital ward, lab and biosafety places. Second one is ionizing radiation, classical example gamma ray. It is otherwise called as cold sterilization method. They generate by nuclear disintegration of radioactive isotope CO or CS. Mechanism of action, causing DNA damage. It have high penetrating power and have more sporocidal activity.